lie.
Make the speaker, and I told the speaker, why don't you please bring such Dr. Mugang on board? Do you know that Sudiru success that man? I thank Sudiru for sourcing it out that man. The man has changed the Ugandan's education from traditional economy to this disrupted integrated economy. Because the world is going.
How does education have to do with economy? Let's run that back, guys.
Because the world is going to disrupted the economy than traditional economy. That is now the education. So the man has changed the education system of Uganda, and whoever joins his university, he came out when he has skill, he can begin his own job. Don't eat in the camera, please.
Okay, that's fair. That's a good point. That's a good point. That's a very, very good point. I'll give it to him. That's a very good point.
Are you getting me?
Yes, I am.
Another blessing. When I have Hamisi Chigundu here,
yes.
Is better than 1,000 contacts you have without any purpose. Because I can't get any problem when Ham sleeps. Are you getting me?
Yes,
when I had done the Stanbic Bank or the Euroform or the Equity Bank MD, don't tell me these noise makers. You need Kasuku. When in this life you have to know your value, and you have to look for value to respectful and responsible people to be.
Let me tell you something. He's right. You have to look for you have to know your value. But the place where he's wrong, you don't have to step on others to increase your value. Like he's doing. You shouldn't have to climb on someone else's back to feel valued. You know? Which that's what he's trying to say.
Being in your contacts. I can call Ham here and live and send 5 million. How many friends do you have who can send you 5 million? Do you want these views? Are you going to eat these views? So you must tell Mr. Mimbis that views are useless without.
That's exact. See? These are people who think so shallow. These people who think so shallow. He only cares about monetary value. It's so shallow. When I see 3,500 views, right? I don't care about money. I don't at all. I swear to God, I do not care about money. He's thinking so shallow. That is very shallow thought. When I see 3,500 people, I think about how many people I can influence, how many people I can touch, how many people I can reach out to. But he's thinking about, oh, are you gonna eat these views? Are you gonna get money out of these views? When I see 3,500 people, I know that there's kids out there in my chat that look up to me, you know? So I can't get on here and start making myself look like a fool, you know, and do things for comedy. I don't care about you guys' money. I don't care what you guys give me. I honestly don't. And you guys know most of all that I do not care about social media. How often was I posting on social media before this whole saga? Probably like once every 3 months. You guys know that. I do not have a social media presence at all because I don't care about none of that. You know? People need to do better. They need to do better. And if any of his fans are watching him, I want you guys to like understand he just gave you what he just literally exposed what he thinks of you guys. He literally just told you guys what he thinks of you guys. He looks at you guys as leverage, monetary value. But I see 3,500 people. I'm looking at people that I can influence. You get what I'm saying?
Without a strategy and a foundation for being successful in this world.
Where's Otis? Let's search him up. Is there any others? Is there any? Alright, bet. What's his name? Alright, bet. This one? Is it this one? Is this his account? Skinny guy, but I walk like a giant. This is insane. This is a crazy. Wow. Love surgeon. What is he? What does he do? Let me do my research on this guy. What does he do? Radio presenter. But what does he talk about? Because it says here love surgeon. Bedroom affairs. So how does a bedroom affairs radio presenter have 20K? This is useless. His job is useless. No one needs a radio presenter talking about bedroom affairs. We need to move forward as a society. There's much more important things to be talking about. Completely useless job. What degree do you use to become a love surgeon, a bedroom affair radio presenter? Completely useless. Where do you post? Wow. How old is this guy? He decided to write a whole book for me, it seems. $30 and he's writing a whole letter about me? A whole book about me. A 30-year-old has nothing better to do. So he sits down. This is what he did. He sat down, picked up his phone. He said, I'll write about Abba Marcus. That's what we're going to write about today. A 30-year-old. He's supposed to be taking care of his kids if he has any. And if he doesn't, he should be like trying to advance his career from being a love doctor. It's a completely useless job. What radio station does he work at? Galaxy. That's very embarrassing. How did an established radio station like Galaxy, how did established radio stations like Galaxy hire love doctors? Because Galaxy is supposed to be an established radio station. Because when I was in Uganda, as a kid, I grew up listening to Galaxy FM. So even Galaxy has to be held accountable. All right, so let's read this. All right. Hey, Abba Marcus Mayanja. Let's keep it real. Without the name Mayanja, at 19, your opinion barely matters. All right. He's right. He's 100% right. Who's that? What's up? I know that. All right. I'm gonna start from the top since my brother interrupted me. Hey, Abba Marcus Mayanja. Let's keep it real. Without the name Mayanja, at 19, your opinion barely matters. He's right. There's nothing I have to defend myself with. He's absolutely right. You understand what I'm saying? But who decided that? I didn't ask to be Mayanja. Like I said last time, I didn't ask to be on this earth. No one asked me, hey, do you wanna, what's it called? Do you want to be born into Jose Chameleon's family? I didn't ask that. I didn't ask for that. Right? But the question is, how do I use my platform? At least I'm not a love doctor. I'm talking about more serious issues, more important issues, more with I'm talking about issues with greater urgency. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Am I supposed to say sorry for being a Mayanja? Am I supposed to? Sorry, Roger. I guess God put me here. Like what? He sounds stupid. Let's keep it real. Without the name Mayanja, at 19, your opinion barely matters. Let me tell you guys something. If he flew to a country like America, this guy would be at the bottom of the social hierarchy because he's a love doctor. Who needs a love doctor in society? Because as far as I'm concerned, bedroom affairs are pretty straightforward. You don't need no love doctor to be telling you, oh, this is what you're supposed to do. This is what you're supposed to do. Because that stuff is pretty straightforward. So his opinion barely matters anyway, regardless of who he is. Regardless of him, without the name Otis, his opinion still doesn't matter. With the name Otis, his opinion still doesn't matter. There's nothing. There's nothing he adds to society. The Mayanja face and name that you carry isn't just any name. It's the name your dad built through both his highs and lows in the music game. This isn't me trying to put you down, but there's truth in Omokuluta Sobia. It's about learning from those who've been there before you. Atendi Mukuluwo. Obviously. But let me tell you, what I will be learning from you is to never waste my time on things that don't attach to you. Stick to the things for like stick to love doctoring whoever you love doctor. Even the people that call your phone that, oh, this is what I need to do. I need your advice on things that connect with love. They're wasting their time as well. Anyway, I still disagree with Omokuru Tasoya. And I don't know what he thinks my dad was supposed to do. I don't know what he thinks my dad was supposed to do. Was my dad supposed to sit on his ass and not work? My dad's worked for everything he did, like he has for his children. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do. What am I supposed to do? It's not my fault my dad chose to be a real man and work for his legacy. See, this is the thing, bro. We, like I said earlier, we have people on platforms that inspire other people. And before he posted this, he didn't even think about it at all. He didn't think about it. It's the name your dad built through both his highs and lows in the music game. Duh. What else was he supposed to do? You know what I'm saying? Look, let's continue. Look, putting your dad's business on the internet, not your smartest move. Addressing a 19-year-old Twitter is not the smartest move. It's probably the stupidest move. As a love doctor where your opinion doesn't matter. I could care less about what you have to say. Look, putting your dad's business on the internet, not your smartest move. My dad's a public figure. Everybody already knew my dad was sick before I even came on TikTok to generate a sense of urgency yet again. Correct me if I'm wrong. Am I wrong about that? If anything, I was late to the news. You get what I'm saying? So me getting on TikTok and saying that the people around my dad, yada, 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 I don't think you guys understand how many calls I got about that. People already know about that. People know. People know that nobody around my dad cares for him. Everybody knows that. All it did was get people talking about your dad while your dad is still going through whatever he's going through. All I saw, all I saw was a bunch of love. The only negativity I saw, the only negativity I saw was towards me, which at the end of the day, I don't care. I still go to my bed, sleep peacefully, get a good night's rest. You understand? The point of my video did what it was supposed to do. His health stuff, that's family business, not internet content. He sounds stupid yet again. Thank you, thank you, thank you for the gifts. I haven't even been watching the gifts. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Jenny. His health stuff, that's family business, not internet content. He sounds utterly, utterly incompetent. Utterly incompetent. Was everybody not aware of my dad's health issues prior to my video? Correct me if I'm wrong. As far as I'm concerned, everybody knew about it. Trust me, no amount of likes or comments will fix what's really going on. See, this is someone, let me tell you something about how the human brain works, right? The human brain often projects what's within you as a person, within you as an individual. So right now, he's clearly showing you what matters to him. This is what he's doing. He's projecting. He's clearly showing you what matters to him. That's what matters to him. Likes and comments. You guys already know I don't care about my social presence, my social media presence. I don't care about likes. I don't care about none of that. Otherwise, I would have grabbed my family's fame with both hands. You know what I'm saying? You guys don't know what I'm trying to do over here. You get what I'm saying? Can you guys hear me? Okay. But yeah, he's clearly projecting. He's projecting what matters to him. Humans often portray what they have inside as an individual. So he's showing you what matters to him. Your family cares about your dad way more than any of us social media folks ever could. Work with them, not the internet. Okay, guys. Let's do again. This is what we're gonna have. We're gonna have 1+1 logic every stream. That's a promise to you guys. We're gonna have 1+1 logic every stream. All right. So this is the first one, right? My dad has family in Uganda. Yes or no? He has his mother and father and his brothers. Yes or no? That's the first one, right? Second, we're gonna make two of these two, right? Second, if my family cares way more than social media does, how did my father end up in the situation that he is in at the moment? Simple 1+1 logic. You understand that? Now, this is gonna bridge to what I have to tell you people. Blood is thicker than water, but blood is not thicker than mud. You understand that? You could have family and they still hate you. They still don't care about you. Trust me, I would know. I would know. I would know. I have family that I am connected to and they don't care. Even if we still have the same blood running through our veins. You get what I'm saying? So his comment is yet again utterly, utterly, utterly stupid and incompetent. Guys, I said blood is thicker than water, but not thicker than mud. Not thicker than mud. And to explain that further, people you make it out the hustle with, people that fight with you every day, fight with you throughout the problems of life, are going to be way more loyal to you than your own blood. That's what that term means. Blood is thicker than water, but blood is not thicker than mud. Okay. Sure, posting might feel good for a minute, but it doesn't solve anything real. As far as I'm concerned, I don't care about how posting on social media may feel. But to my knowledge, it's solving a bunch of problems. It's solving generational curses, you understand, with everybody, with the whole of Uganda as a country. It's changing stigmas. I hope I'm causing a ripple effect that the youth finally wake up. You get what I'm saying? Let's talk about your dad for a second. He's a legend, a creative, and a stubborn, lonely man. I guess he knows my dad more than I know my dad. Just a guy who needs people. Ask anyone who runs into him at clubs. Alright, we're gonna do simple 1 plus 1 logic yet again. Alright? Y'all ready for the simple 1 plus 1 logic again? Okay. He says, back here, your family cares about your dad way more than any of us social media folks ever could. We're going to prove that point wrong again. If my dad has family in Uganda, how the hell is he lonely? Which proves my point further, which proves my initial point. The people that surround my dad, as stubborn as he is, as wild as he is, they do not care about him. Regardless of family or the blood that runs through his veins. Does that make sense? Sure, he might be a lonely man, right? People want to attack me on the internet for speaking about the enablers, aka my grandparents and yada yada, the people that connect to that. If they cared so much, why is my dad lonely? Does that make sense to you guys? Simple 1 plus 1 logic. Ask anyone who runs into him at clubs. They'll tell you how he just wants someone to talk to listen. That's what family is for. That is literally what family is for. Let me show you guys something. Let me show y'all. Let me switch this real quick. Let me show y'all something. This is how long I was on the phone with my dad with yesterday. I was on the phone with my dad for an hour and 31 minutes, right? Me that's over here in the USA, I have to reach out to my dad and still what's it called? Talk to him and listen to him. You understand? Because he's human at the end of the day. But in Uganda, even where he has most of his family at, they still don't care. That was exactly my point. Do you get what I'm saying? And I'm happy to talk to my dad all the time. But there's things that my dad cannot talk to me about. That he needs someone as old as him, as experienced as him, as you understand what I'm saying? And I'm not fit for that. There's things my dad cannot tell me. You understand what I'm saying? There's only so much I could do. That's the point. That's where he needs his family. You understand? That's where you need your parents. That's where you need your brothers. You understand? And no shots to his brothers. There's definitely some of his brothers are definitely very loving. You understand? But what's his family for? Like, why is he so lonely? You get what I'm saying? Remember when you couldn't even get near Chameleon without millions? Now he's grabbing mics at clubs singing for free. My dad loves music. My dad loves music. He's the reason I could care less about money is because of the way my parents have raised me. Money has never been an issue. Money doesn't control my dad. Money doesn't control my mom. My parents are very proud people. My dad is a very proud man. I know that. He does not care about money, and I promise you that. I promise you that. My dad is just someone that loves music, that has loved music, and happened to be given a platform to express his music, to show the world what he can create. Does that make sense? He's done what he needs to do in his music career. He's been an international export for Ugandan music that no one can deny. You understand? He's won all the awards that he wishes that he could. You understand what I'm saying? He could care less about profiting off money anymore. Is my network bad, guys? Okay. Here's the bottom line. Your dad doesn't need harsh words on the internet. He needs love, especially from his own blood. Trust me, I give my dad love. He knows that. And that's the only person I need to prove to that I'll always have love for. And he knows that. Earlier in the stream, I told everybody the message I sent my dad. I'll reiterate it yet again. Let me read it out loud for you guys. I would never ask for any father, any other, I would never ask for any other father. I am so proud of you from the bottom of my heart. Thanks, Abba. I love you too. And I'm okay with you, my son. Nothing has ever changed. Love you. Don't think because you're on the internet you know everything that's going on. You understand? He should honestly he should stick. Hold on, let's finish this letter real quick. He needs love, especially from his own blood. They should be telling that to the people back in Uganda. Over here, we love my dad down. We love him down. I can bring any of my siblings. I can bring any of my siblings in this room and they'll tell you. We love him down. You know what I'm saying? They'll tell you we love him so bad. We love him so much. He needs love, especially from his own blood. The Mayanja legacy deserves better than social media drama. Yours, surgically, love surgeon. This guy's a very incompetent guy. Utterly incompetent. Utterly, utterly, utterly incompetent. Grossly incompetent, if I may. You understand what I'm saying? And I hope he hears what I'm saying. You are utterly incompetent. There's nothing else I can say to him. He should stick to the love doctor stuff. He should stick to giving people bedroom affair advice and stay out of the family issues. Family family issues. This is not his scope of work. This is out of his scope of training. He's not trained to be providing opinions on such matters. Am I missing anything else? What else am I missing? Let me read you guys' comments. I want to talk to you guys. Let me interact with y'all. What do you guys have to say? I want to speak to you guys. The chat's going so fast, I can barely catch any messages. What other video is there? Let's see. This is what we're gonna do. I have an idea. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna search me up. I have probably like 30 more minutes on here. So this is how we're gonna close it out. Oh wow. They're fast. Mm. This is very quick. Sandy. Oh, Sandy has something to say? Where's Sandy? Let me look for him. And look, see, I've been seeing this. I've been seeing this, and this is exactly look. This is the exactly what I've been talking about the platforms that inspire. Do you understand? They took what I said completely out of context. If anybody was in my last live, I remember them saying, I don't advise children to be entitled. Correct me if I'm wrong. But they're going to do this for a bunch of clicks. Patro Uganda, shame on you. It's very embarrassing. Shame on you. If anybody was in my last live, they took what I said here completely out of context. After that, I said, I didn't even say my dad. This is not even the proper sentence I said. I'm not even 17. That's how much people don't know about me. I'm not even 17. That's the funniest part. Where is it? Also, this is what I have to say about pictures like this. Anybody that went to see my dad and was putting cameras on him, shame on you as well. You don't care about his kids. You just care about clicks and views. What happens if my sister sees a picture like this? My little sister. She can't even handle to see my dad like this. But everybody was visiting my dad, using him for clicks and views. That's exactly the point I was trying to prove. They don't care about him at all. They don't care about him or his children. You understand? Bro, it completely breaks my hat. It breaks my heart so bad to see that people are just milking him for views. They know how much he matters to this nation, so they're gonna go, oh, let's go see Chameleon. He's not doing good, and then he start milking him for views. It completely broke my heart. This is very wrong. Very, very, very wrong. So wrong. Probably the most wrong thing that's happened throughout this whole month. Very wrong. He's a man too. He has to be respected. You understand that? He has children. They should respect him. He has kids that are worried about him. They cannot see him in such a state. Where's the Sendy video? Where's the video, y'all? Can someone go on Twitter and send it to me in my inbox? Someone go on Twitter and send it to me in the inbox. I just passed it. Where? This is not a video. On TikTok? I had. Alright, let's look. Where is he? Alright, let's see. What's this?
Banamanya eddoboozi nga bulijjo Mama Junior Muchotera single mother to beat ended in tears omwoza abagaga Tim Haji nga yanesibwa kuba president 2026. Bane baddiya mu nnonde ozaga okubeera the first female president mu Uganda. Buli muntu alippira gundi ya Abba tugenda kumwa kati bateeka n'akayiringu bus chair kaleese nako kajja katwasamira Abba simanyi without the name Mayanja.
Exactly.
Your opinion wouldn't matter. What makes you think because oyina akatwe oyina tunanga akalamba akakazembe your opinion matters? Eh? What makes you think? If Abba's opinion doesn't matter, why are you talking about it?
Amen.
You're such a stupid idiot.
I lie. I didn't say that one. Where's Sandy? Here, let's search him. Oh. Is it this one?
Yatuse ku Sendi najjako emikono.
Where is it? When Uganda.
Yatuse ku Sendi najjako emikono. Yatuse ku Sendi najjako.
I don't see it, y'all.
Era bw'obeeranga n'omwana kati nze yaba kubeera mwana wange batakola bintu bingi nnyo kwetonda mba maze omuzaalukuka
nga lwaki oba omuzaalukuka Abitegisi omwana kibi okugira ku badde bwa taata we
oba ogedde naye oba ogeddeko otya weewalanga nnyo omwana okwegatta ne nnyina ebiseera bisinga abakyala baayawukana nawe batakyakulabawo naye ebiseera bisinga omuzadde omwana ategeera teyeeyingiza mu nsonga z'abazadde baŋŋambye nti omwana yanenyezza kitaawe mu mbeera emuweebuula omanyi lwaki bakyogera mu Buganda nti omuzadde tasobya naba baasobezza omwana osirikawo n'otanenya kitaawo mu lujjudde mu mbeera
He's stupid. He's a fool.
emuweebuula
I feel bad for his children.
Kitalo Chameleon
si gwosoose okunoba ate si gwosoose okubeera mu bufumbo omusajja nakukuba abakyala bangi bayita mu mbeera gye yayitamu.
Wow. 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 Wow.
Judde mu mbeera emuweebuula. Ddala Chameleon si gw'osoose okunoba ate si gw'osoose okubeera mu bufumbo omusajja n'akkuba.
This guy's a stupid idiot. So stupid. So bro, this is the stupidest guy that I've reacted to this entire stream. Even more stupid than Bajo. Wow. This is insane. Keep in mind, bro, this is exactly what I was talking about. Right? This is national television.
Abakyala bangi
And he just normalized domestic violence.
Omwana yanenyezza kitaawe mu mbeera emuweebuula. Omanyi lwaki bakyogera mu Buganda omuzadde tasobya? Lwaki tasobya? Nababa asobezza omwana.
Listen closely.
N'otanenya kitaawe mu lujjudde mu mbeera emuweebuula. Ddala Chameleon si gw'osoose okunoba ate si gw'osoose okubeera mu bufumbo omusajja n'akkuba.
I'm disappointed. From the bottom of my heart, I am very disappointed. I'm so disappointed. He just normalized domestic violence on live television. Sanyuka TV. Right? There's women watching this. Women. Little girls. He speaks like he doesn't have a daughter. You can tell he doesn't have a daughter. Or sisters. Wow. Bro. Wow. This is insane, guys. No, it's not even funny, honestly. Like, it's not funny at all.
Abakyala bangi bayita mu mbeera gye yayitamu naye alitulemezaamu kubanga essaawa zino Jose Chameleon yeetaaga keya mbeera gy'alimu bw'okwata ebintu ebyo n'obipakira omwana n'abyogera kubanga
I'm not even gonna react to this guy no more, bro. He's gonna ruin my mood. I'm gonna get angry, and I don't want to be angry. But this is very embarrassing and very disheartening, enraging. Wow.
Chameleon.
Those are people only God.
Chameleon.
Those are people only God can deal with. Even I can deal with him. Not my words can't do anything. Those are people left for God. You know what I'm saying?
Devastate. Tasobola kuwulira simu n'abamugamba nti Abba Marcus wuuno akubye yagiriko n'atagikwata. Okay? Oba bw'aba nti okwogera kumukaluubiriza aka video yandikozeemu voice note oba video call
n'agiweereza taata
namugaa nti taata kino kyenkulowooleza onfuna bulungi
n'atajja mu public.
Let me tell y'all something. Abitex, Sandy, Bajo, they're all in the same boat. They're all the same kind of people. They're all the same kind of people. They're all horrible people. You understand?
bajjajjaabe abaagaza ki?
He doesn't even know me.
Otegera kigamba chameleon is 40. Mukyala Mayanja ekitono ennyo muwe emyaka 6 mwegi. That boy is 18 or thereabout. Omwana emyaka 18.
Let me tell you, even Kasuku with the way he was talking, look how he's looking at this guy. He knows he's just spilling a bunch of nonsense. A bunch of wow. There's some people that don't deserve mouths. This is one of them. He does not deserve to have a mouth on him. Even Kasuku is shocked that someone wow, bro. Someone like this does not deserve lips, teeth, or tongue.
Kikwogeza ku mukyalo w'emyaka 65 mukyala Mayanja ne mwami Mayanja w'emyaka 75.
Oh brother, he's gonna be so shocked. He's gonna be so hurt when I drop this YouTube video because I'm not holding back, and I put that on my mom. I put that on my life. He's gonna be so shocked. Let me tell you guys something. Respect is earned, not given. I didn't come out the womb respecting my parents. You get what I'm saying? And let me tell y'all, in my mom's culture, because I'm half Muganda, half Acholi, right? In my mom's culture, this is what they say. They say, you don't eat what you vomited. You understand what I'm saying? You don't eat what you vomited. And I assure, Sandy, if you see this video, I assure you, I'm not going to be eating my vomit. I said what I said, and it's not coming back into my mouth. That's my culture for you. So if he expects me to wake up tomorrow, go to sleep, wake up and be like, yeah, you know what? Let's give respect to people that never once in their life earned it. You're out of luck, buddy.
Omanyi tulina okukkiriziganya nti waliwo okoma n'okuwabula. Realistically wabawo omuntu gwola nogati kojja kanjogere neono kojja omuto gwe tutuukaganamuko mugambe tigamba kojja. Issues. Please don't.
Yatuuse ku sendi najjako emikono.
Where is the video? There's a video I had seen that I was gonna react to. There's a video I had seen. He was saying that he's not gonna go back and forth with me. Is it this one? Hold on.
Abba Marcus ne baganda be bonna. Abba Marcus ne baganda be bonna. You might find that they need some psychiatric help.
Yes, and that too strong.
Kale.
Kale,
psychological therapist. Better go grab.
I have a question, you all. I have a question. What degree does this guy have, if anybody knows? What degree does Cindy study? So he's saying me and my siblings need psychiatric help, need therapy. You guys all know who needs therapy. Y'all all know. Someone said they sent me the video of setting on TikTok. I mean on messages. Right here. Okay, perfect.
bajjajjaabe okubaleeta mu drama oyo. Abba yakuteeka video yako n'akazannya n'akuddamu. N'agamba I'm not addressing Mr. Sandy as a person. Na addressing abantu ab'endowooza ye. Agamba family ye nga ka video emukalabe yaba celebrities.
Yeah.
So abantu balowooza nti ebintu ekibabeerako buli omu alina okujjawo endowooza ye. Ate ng'oluusi endowooza zammwe ziba tezeetaagisa.
Nga tulina osirikako.
Nga mulina osirika. He goes ahead n'agamba gwe ng'omuntu takumanyi. Yes, Mr. Sandy amumanyi naye takumanyi ndowooza ng'omuntu. And what you do. Mukitegedde. Sijja kwogera ku by'abalala. Abalala bajja byeyogerera ku Eddie Abba Marcus addressed to you.
Before I even continue to hear what he has, any interviewer from after this interview, if anybody interviews him again, and he has anything negative to say about me, I promise you I'm going to get disrespectful. I swear on my mother's life. I swear to God. I don't care about my public image. I do not care. So I'm promising the interviewers that know what they're doing, and he has a tendency to bring in my mom. Next time I see him speak about my mom or any of my siblings, even my dad himself, I swear on my life I will be disrespectful without holding back. You guys will hear me say things that you didn't even think I can think of. I swear on my life. So if he's going to see anything from this stream today, I promise you, leave my family out of it.
N'abantu ab'endowooza.
For the convenience of the young man, this is what I have to say. Abba Marcus is 19 years.
Yep.
He's fit to be my son. I'm not going to get drawn into a war of words. Okay? Or
He's scared.
I'm not going to allow to be dragged
He's scared.
into the mud.
Now he wants to be the
by
bigger
this
person and be
young
mature.
boy.
That's what he wants to do. Now
So,
he wants to be
I
mature.
will not comment on what he had to say about me, but I will only reiterate and reaffirm my earlier submission.
Let me tell y'all. This is, bro, let me tell you, I'm so good at reading people. This is, let me break it down for you guys. So he's scared. He's scared to reply to me and really say what he thinks, right? But to give off the illusion that he's not scared, he's going to make a comment and say that he stands on what he said last time. Does that make sense to you guys? He's scared. He's a coward. He's a coward. He doesn't want to speak on it anymore, right? Because now he wants to act like the bigger person, right? In reality, he's scared. So to give off the illusion that he's not scared and he's not coward, he's going to reiterate and stand on what he said last time. I don't care. I don't care.
And in this case, I'm not addressing Abba Marcus. I'm addressing every young person in this generation.
Let me address them for you. Every young person in this generation, if you're watching me right now and listening to what I have to say, do not be scared of fools like this. Never. Never. There's nothing they can do to you. People often think the worst someone can do to you is physical, but the worst someone can do to you is by words. Words are worse than anything someone can ever do. Words are your biggest weapon. Your freedom of speech. Never, ever be scared of people like this. They're cowards. People like this are scared of people that are not scared of them. That's what a lot of people fail to realize. You understand? You get what I'm saying? Anybody. Even old people. This is not just a youth wave. This is not just for the youth. But anybody. Never be scared of people like this. The world hates confident people. The world hates people that wear their own skin with their chest high. You get what I'm saying? We have to turn our society into a society where we praise people for embracing themselves as an individual. And then people wonder why the Western world does so much. Here in the USA, the weird people are cool. The weird people are cool. It's cool to be weird. It's cool to be weird over here. It's cool to be yourself here. You know what I'm saying? Never ever be scared to wear your own skin. People like this cannot do anything to you. What is he gonna do to you? He's in his 50s. If anything, older. They can't do nothing.
Please manage issues of your families away from the cameras and give respect to your family elders. It will bring more peace.
Another thing I want to tell you people, never respect anybody that never earned it. Ever. If you respect someone that never earned it, you're dropping your value as an individual. Never. There's uncles that I have that I don't respect, not even a little bit. You understand what I'm saying? There's friends that I respect more than even some of my family. Never ever respect people. Never respect a single human being that has not earned it. You'll be doing yourself a disservice. You understand that? This has nothing to do with your personality or you being an outspoken person. You know what I'm saying? Here we have a term that says that goes like stand on business. You got to stand on business. Don't give respect to people that don't deserve that. You'll be dropping your value as a human being. I wish you guys just wait for the YouTube video. You guys will be shocked the things that my own family, my own grandparents have said about me, and said about my siblings, and said about my own dad that I watched with my own eyes and heard with my own ears. You'll be shocked. And then people I just want to wake up and say, respect your grandparents. What does that say about me if I respect my grandparents? We're all the same. God put everybody on this earth the same. We have the same blood running through our veins. We have the same hair, same teeth, same lips. We all sit on the toilet. We all shower. We all cry. We all get sad. We all get happy. No matter of age. You know what I'm saying? In order for someone to be respected, they have to earn that respect. And if you respect someone that doesn't respect you, you're doing yourself a disservice. A horrible disservice. We are all the same. Hence why respect is earned, not given. God didn't create my grandparents better than they created me. And vice versa. You get what I'm saying? Let's go.
And more harmony. Thank you very much.
Akafune. He will catch strays. The guy in the blue shirt will catch strays. I understand Luganda perfectly.
Nchikoze deliberately.
Hey.
And more harmony. Thank you very much. Nchikoze deliberately.
You're so funny. What else is there to react about? Let's go and search my name up because I have like 10 more minutes on here. 10 more minutes. 5 minutes. I'm gonna react to this stuff for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna give y'all a little sign out. And I want everybody to know this is my account. This is my account. Hold up. How do I go to my account, bro? What the heck? I don't know how to use this. On what's it called? On. Oh, there we go. This is my account. No other account. I don't have any other account. This is my account. Y'all want the YouTube? Let me show y'all my YouTube. Hold up. This is my YouTube account. Later on, we're gonna move to Twitch. We're gonna move off TikTok. You know what I'm saying? But end of this month, I want you guys to prepare for a stream with me and my dad. You understand what I'm saying? I'm gonna be streaming with my dad. We're gonna be on stream. He's gonna be right here. I'm gonna have my dad as a guest. Answer everything that you guys need us to answer. And then we're gonna get to making music on live. You get what I'm saying? Have some fun. Gonna drop a YouTube vlog after. I'm gonna drop a YouTube vlog after I drop my grandparents video. We're gonna be surprising my dad. You understand? We're gonna take him some gifts. We're gonna be surprising him. It's gonna be a vlog. And then hopefully around April, I'll be in Uganda. We're gonna do a live. We're gonna do a IRL vlog. We're gonna do a live stream. You understand? We're gonna do a live stream. Nothing ever done before by any influencer in Uganda. You understand? We're gonna do a live stream. So I'm just preparing you guys for that. You know what I'm saying? I need to act my age a little bit. You know, I can't always be rising to the level of the adults. We gotta have some fun on here. You know what I'm saying? I tell you, I got violence. I'm not a violent person, so I'm not always gonna be putting people on blast unless they need to, unless it's needed. You get what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm about to search my name up. We're gonna react to a little bit more things, and I'm gonna sign out. But just prepare for the streams with my dad. We're gonna have a lot of streams with my dad. You know what I'm saying? Connect more with the fans. Connect more with the people. Connect more with everybody. I've reacted to everybody. I've reacted to Otis. I've reacted to Roger. People a little bit late in here. But anytime I'm streaming, I'll be streaming at this exact time. I'll be streaming 9 p.m. till 11 p.m. Later on, we'll make it probably longer. But I have a lot of content coming for you guys. You understand? And I want everybody to go to these Twitter accounts and report them. These are all fake Twitter accounts. Let me show you guys. These are all fake Twitter accounts. Report this account. You didn't even spell my name. This used to be my old account, but all these accounts, this is a fake. This is the only real account. Alright, we're gonna react to a couple videos before I leave. Y'all are so quick. Let's type what should I post? I want y'all to help me come up with a post. What should I post on my Twitter today? Let's post something. Let's post something. What should I say? What should I say? I need ideas. I'll say that is a rap for. Now this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna preview my what's it called? They'll copy and paste my tweet. That's true. I'll preview this YouTube video. Just wait. This YouTube video. Ngumi. ZDMB. Just wait. Oh God. I put down my life. I'm not scared no more. I'm not 14 no more. You know what I'm saying? I'm not 16. How do I spell Ngumi? I forgot. How do I spell it? Alright, man. Let's put a GIF in here. Let's put a GIF. Should I use this one? Because I'm the young one, right? They think I'm young. So I'm gonna use a small kid. Is what we're gonna do. This cool? Y'all mess with this? Alright, bet that. Alright, go like the post. Everybody go like the post. You know what I'm saying? Go like the post. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. All jokes aside though, thank you everybody. Thank you everybody that's supporting me behind my cause. You get what I'm saying? Thank you everyone. We're gonna change this country by force. It's not a choice. You get what I'm saying? We're gonna change our country. Damn, 26 already? Y'all crazy. Let's look.
guno mufu kati twetaaga omulembe omupya guno mufu abasajja abakulu ne badda mu palamenti okulwana ne bakubagana ebigwo engero z'abaganda kati zituuse okukyuka abwana abaganda baga nti omukulu tasobya si bwe tugamba kati omuntu akubye munne ekikone mu palamenti ebyo biba bikyakola amakulu nti omukulu tasobya abakulu tutandika obbagambako.
That's true.
Mwawulidde mutabani wa Chameleone.
That's true. Everybody makes mistakes. We're all human.
Tugenda abaana mutandika okugamba ku bakulu baba beesitaza mu bagambeko kati ebintu bikyuse ne gwozadde akubira engoma n'okola ki abavubuka temukkiriza abantu bakulu kuba misiridinga batandise okulwanira mu palamenti mu bagambe
Imagine.
oba bibalemye mutuule wansi kakati oyo aba akuyigiriza ki.
But yeah, everybody makes mistakes, bro. Even me sometimes when I get back from when I close the live, I'm like, damn, like I shouldn't have said that. That was too much, you know? Everybody makes mistakes. But yeah. That might be the wrap for today, y'all. You know what I'm saying? That might be a wrap. I appreciate everybody for being in here. Go mess with the YouTube, right? Go mess with the YouTube. This is my only Twitter account. My only Twitter account. I couldn't get my other Twitter accounts working, you know, so this is my only Twitter account. Report all the other fake Twitters. Subscribe to the YouTube, right? I promise you guys the video will be out before New Year's. Do y'all want it after New Year's or before New Year's? Before New Year's or not? Alright, before then. That's settled. But I want you guys to know that my dad sends you guys a lot of love. Spoke to him on the phone yesterday. He sends you guys so much love. He's thankful for all the support and the concern. Right? He's thankful for all the support and concern. I apologize if I may have dragged a couple of my comments. Right? But I'm not apologetic for the message that I conveyed. So, thank you guys for being on the live. Have a great night.